if I informed you that one of the world's most renowned and popular beverages happens to possess a secret that has remained undiscovered by anyone ever? The Coca-Cola recipe, concealed in obscurity for over a century at this very moment. Is it genuinely as enigmatic and classified as they assert it to be? The history of Coca-Cola begins in 1886, when a pharmacist named John Pemberton, inspired by a beverage his mother used to consume, began experimenting with various ingredients to create a new drink. It was during these endeavors that he discovered a unique concoction that became the secret recipe that has kept Coca-Cola at the forefront for over a century. Let's delve deeper into the captivating tale of Coca-Cola's enigmatic formula and unveil the truth hidden behind this age-old enigma. The secret recipe of Coca-Cola isn't merely a myth. In truth, it is a meticulously guarded formula known exclusively by a relatively small number of individuals. Moreover, it is believed that this highly exclusive recipe is actually locked away in a secured vault situated within the walls of the SunTrust Bank, located right in the heart of Atlanta, Georgia. However, how does the company guarantee the secrecy of its recipe? According to various reports, it appears that only a handful of employees are aware of the full recipe at any given time. To further enhance security measures, there are suggestions that the recipe is divided into distinct parts and stored in various separate locations. Over the years, numerous endeavors have been made to unravel the secret recipe. Back in 2011, highly classified Coca-Cola documents were illicitly stolen, initiating a significant wave of speculation. However, the nefarious thieves were swiftly caught before they could market and perpetuate the classified information. And then there's the intriguing question: could the seemingly identical recipe vary significantly by country? Some experts speculate that the formula might be slightly customized or altered to cater to local preferences, infusing the dish with an additional layer of mystique and uniqueness. However, may I ask, is this simply an elaborate marketing strategy designed to capture the attention of audiences? After all, what is more alluring than a refreshing drink that boasts a captivating story that remains entirely undiscovered by anyone? So the real question is, what's the truth? Is the secret Coca-Cola recipe truly impenetrable, or is it simply a part of the brand's incredible storytelling ability? In summary, the magic of Coca-Cola isn't solely found in its ingredients. It lies in the emotions it instills. The enticing taste of nostalgia, the delightful experience of shared moments, and the innate sense of something timeless and enduring are truly what make Coca-Cola stand out. No matter if the recipe is considered a highly classified information or merely an ingenious marketing strategy, one particular aspect remains constant. The intrigue generates a persistent curiosity that pushes us to return for even more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it fascinating. Until next time, keep wondering about the mysteries of the world.